Hey guys, welcome back to another splendid video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you change country or region in your YouTube app. So simply guys, if you want to change country or region in YouTube, you can do it very easily. So first of all guys, if you're using iPhone, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then guys, you may open your app store and in search bar you may write here YouTube, and guys you make sure that you have latest or updated version of YouTube app. If you are not latest or updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys you may open YouTube app from here and you will log in or sign in with your Google account. Then you may click here on your profile icon, or you may open the menu of your Google account. So this interface will be open guys. Here is the option of settings, so you may click here on top right corner, and here is the option of general, so you may click here, and here you will see that here is the option of location. So you may click here and you may change your country region from here. If you want to select Australia, USA, UK, Canada or any other country, you may select that one from here. If you want to select Canada, you may click here on Canada and you may go back, and guys you may check your location is selected Canada, or you may also select any location from here. So by all these methods guys you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.